Hire purchase. In some cases, we will have the option to purchase an item cash or hire purchase. For example, if you go to a furniture store, an appliance store, an automotive store, you can purchase a vehicle or even a house using hire purchase. So what's the difference between hire purchase and cash? Cash simply means that you will pay for the total price of the item upfront, whereas hire purchase means that you will be given time, usually in years, to pay for the item. You will usually pay for this item in equal monthly installments, which means that every month you will pay a certain amount until you have cleared the price of the item. Sometimes you may have to pay a down payment and sometimes you may not. So let's take a look at an example. So here we have a motorbike. So the motorbike would usually have a cash price Let's say that cash price is $10,000. Right, so if you pay the cash price, you own the item immediately and there is no interest on it. However, if you don't have $10,000, the store may offer you hire purchase. So we'll use AHP for hire purchase. And they may ask for a down payment. So that down payment is usually 8% of the cash price. So let's use 10% down payment. Right, so that will be 10% of the $10,000. So if we work this out, we will realize that the down payment is 10 times 100 is $1,000. Right, in addition to the down payment, you will then be required to make an equal monthly installment over a particular period. So they may give you something like 2 years, and each month you will have to pay $600. Right? Now, when you work this out over 2 years and you add this $1,000, it normally comes up, it will usually come up to more than the cash price. So let's work that out and see if we use a good example. So 600 over 2 years, which is 24 months, that will be equal to 144, that's 14,400. So if the total for the hire purchase will be the down payment plus the 14,400. Sometimes you won't have to pay a down payment, depending on the offer that you get. So this will be 15,400. Right, so if you purchase the item cash, you will definitely save. So you'll be actually saving $5,400. Alright, so let's take a look at some questions. So questions 1 to 4 is not difficult. So you can feel free to pause the video and try these questions now. Alright, let's resume the video and go to the solutions. Number 1. Carl bought a bed for no down payment and a monthly installment of $500 for 6 months. How much was the total cost of the bed? So $500, 6 payments of $500 will be $3,000. Right, number 2. Marla took a loan at First Citizens Bank. She had to repay $700 per month for 24 months. How much money did she have to repay in total? So again, this is a case where we don't have to make a down payment. So we multiply 700 by 24 and we will get $16,800. We weren't given the loan amount either, so most likely should have borrowed less than 16,800. Question 3. Joe bought a stereo system at Courts and hire purchase for 3 years. How many monthly payments did he make? So 3 years will simply mean 3 times 12 is equal to 36 months. And last question. A wardrobe is $7,000 cash. Customers who want to purchase it hire purchase. So let's fix that. Are required to make a 12.5% down payment on the wardrobe. How much is the down payment? So we are only working on the down payment. So 12.5%, we put 12.5 over 100. 12.5 into 12.5 is 1 and 12.5 into 100 is 8. So we can use 1/8 instead of the 12.5%. Right, so and then we can multiply 1/8 by the 7,000 to find the down payment, and that's your answer. So feel free to make your corrections now. Alright, let's review. So you can pause the video and try these questions if you are capable of doing so. Alright, let's continue. Question 5. At standard, the total hire purchase cost of a refrigerator is $7,280. Pete made a down payment of $1,200. He paid the balance, meaning the remaining amount, in 20 monthly payments, and that is usually 20 equal monthly payments. How much did he pay each month? Right. So if we take away the down payment, we will remain with the balance. Right, the total hire purchase amount, take away the down payment, will leave you with $6,080. And we divide this remaining amount into 20 equal payments, and we will get $304. So each month, Pete is paying $304. Question 6. Superstore sells a microwave for $800 cash. The hire purchase option is as follows. A down payment of 20% is required and $90 per month for 12 months. How much would I save if I bought a microwave at the cash price? So let's start off by working off the down payment. 20% of the cash price. 20% of 800 is $160, and 12 equal payments of $90 will give you $1,080. So we add these together and we will get the total price. Now what they are asking, how much would I save if I bought the microwave at the cash price? So what's the cash price? 800. What's the hire purchase? 1240. So the difference is your answer. Number 7. Sat bought a cell phone for his wife for $4,800 cash. He bought another identical cell phone for himself on hire purchase. He paid 15% of the cash price as down payment and then made 24 monthly payments of $200. How much more money did he pay for his cell phone than his wife's cell phone? So let's work out the down payment that he had to pay. 15% of the cash price. So that will give us $720. And then he made 24 equal payments of $200, which is $4,800. So we're going to add these two together to get a total hire purchase. And we will get $5,520. So the difference between the hire purchase and the cash price is $720. And now we're on to the last question that we'll do. Now, of course, you all can try question 9 and 10, but for now, we'll only correct up to number 8. So try number 8 and then we will go through the solution together. Alright, now that you're ready, let's correct. Miles wanted to buy a couch set and hire purchase. The cash price was $14,400. To buy the couch set and hire purchase, he made a down payment of 15%. He paid $508 each month. The total he paid was $17,400. How many months did he take to pay for the couch set? Okay, so what do we know? We know the cash price. We can work out the down payment. 15% of the cash price is $2,160. So we simply take away the down payment from the total that he paid, which will leave us with a balance. So he have $15,240 to pay, and he's paying $508 every month. So if we divide the total to be paid by the equal payment, we will determine how many payments he made or how many months he is paying for, which when we do the division is 30 months.